Hello, today I would like to show you how to replace a rubber brush element on the Kobold VR200, but that's most likely going to work in the latest 300. This is what I purchased. This is two sets for two brushes, and we've got 6 rubber elements. So let's rotate our vacuum cleaner and let me show you what's the problem. So here we've got that rubberized elements, and I was pretty close to just purchasing a completely new brush. As you can see, it is damaged, but I realized that on the AliExpress you can buy just those rubber elements that when are going to be rotated on the carpet, they are great in pulling cat hair. So let's remove the brush. First we undo this. We open the bottom flap, just like that. And now we can pull our brush. This is very important element to not lose it. Here we can clean out some hair. Actually, like in the electronic lab, this is not hair, this is a small wire. I clean up the space and we end up with just a brush. And as you can see, it is severely torn apart. To undo it, you just grab that piece and you pull it out, just like that. And now the magic is happening because you can slide out those elements. And we are going to open our box, our Ziploc bag to be more precise. And we are going to just visually compare. So they looks like a 1-to-1 match. And we are just going to slide it in. And it looks absolutely beautiful. So just let's repeat the process. We nicely slide them in, just like that. We've got the easy slide ending with a cut and the flat one that goes on the end. So you slide it in like this, and here is nicely locked, and we've got them replaced. So let's take a look at the other side. Is this going to be exactly the same? Looks like yes, but I don't want to forget which part. Let's lock it in place, and we just push it like this. Now we can undo that and repeat exactly the same process. And now we close that part. And as you can see, we've got a beautiful job without wasting money on a new brush. Now we can put everything back. This is the part that I told you it is very important. It goes like this. We slide it on the shaft, nicely in that hole. We put our back plate, side brush, and we are good to go. As you can see, it's looking absolutely beautiful. So as you can see, with those very simple steps, you can replace those rubberized elements. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time, and bye bye.